Still don't think you need a hard shell case for ukulele? Think again and again and again. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and in this video, I'm going to hopefully convince you that when you buy your new ukulele, it doesn't matter which one it is. I just happen to have 5 very expensive ukuleles that were all damaged in shipping. So if you don't think you need to buy a hard shell case when you buy your new ukulele, you need to think again. But anyway, let's slow it down a little bit. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're new to the channel, we do ukulele reviews, tutorials, sing-alongs, play-alongs, challenges, and giveaways. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. So I'm going to give you 5, that's right, 5 examples of instruments that were all damaged in shipping by UPS. And by the way, all of these were from my store, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs, store.ukelikethepros.com. And I want you to know that when you purchase an instrument, even if it comes with a padded gig bag or this or that, throw it out the window. Purchase a hard shell case. It's the only way you're going to protect it. And hopefully, when I show you these, instruments, you'll be convinced to get a hard shell case. So it's to be expected when you send a lot of instruments all over the world like we do at store.ukelikethepros.com. Things are going to happen. But here's a misconception. People think that these cases, and granted, I'm not screwing around here. This is not a cheap $10 case. Look at this. This is a Romero's Creations padded gig bag that comes with Romero's Creations. They're actually quite nice if you think about the padding that's in these things. They're actually a very nice case. As well as, even a nicer case is what these Kanile'As come in. These are very expensive, very nice padded cases here. Check that out. But guess what? They are no match for what UPS can do to a ukulele. There's really only one thing that's going to protect your instrument during shipping. What is that? And that is a hard shell case, okay? Both of these I love. I carry them. And by the way, both of these instruments in these cases are my instruments in these cases with bovettas. That's a whole separate issue with the humidifiers. But anyway, let me show you. I got 5 ukuleles that were all damaged. This is going to break your heart. So warning, if you love ukuleles, you might shed a tear when I'm showing you these. First up is a beautiful Romero's Creations, absolutely stunning mango. Look at this mango. Spalted mango. Only Pepe Romero has spalted mango like this. This is an ST concert. This was damaged over the holidays and shipping, and yes, the person was totally crushed when they got it, and they opened it up out of this case. Right here. Matter of fact, this is what they did. They opened it up, and they turned it around, and oh my G. Look at that. Completely smashed in. And by the way, it's also cracked back here as well, if you can see that area right there. Completely cracked, completely smashed in. And I was heartbroken when I got the email with the photos showing this. Now, don't worry. Store.ukelikethepros takes care of it. We sent them a new one. We got this one back. We took care of them. They didn't actually even have to pay a penny extra to get a new one. So we take care of you, because we have insurance, thank goodness, that covers this kind of stuff. But anyway, I don't know. They must have dropped a bowling ball on this thing. What do you think caused this? Leave a comment below. What the heck could have caused an instrument to get damaged like this? Funny enough, with the big hole in it, it actually sounds pretty good. But don't worry, I'm working with Pepe Romero. We're gonna see what we can get fixed with this particular one. Are you ready for another one? Let me show you another one. All right, the next one that got damaged. Now this one is a little bit undercover where the damage is. Matter of fact, if I just show you here, can you even see it? Leave a comment below. How long do you think the damage is that you see right here? But anyway, this is a KoAloha Guitarlele. This is exactly what I play in all my Guitarlele videos, and I'm really excited because we do have a brand new Guitarlele blues course coming out soon at ukelikethepros.com. But this was another heartbreaking one. The person was so excited. They even had a pickup installed, which it took several weeks for my shop to get through, and they get it, and By the way, this one was left on a snowbank. Outside in a snowbank by UPS. Oh, guess what? They put a plastic bag around the box to help it, as they left it on the snowbank a half a mile away from the customer's house. But anyway, this one, you can't see it that much, but if you look at it from here to here, from this finger to that finger, this is a crack. Right where my finger is, right here, this is a crack. Now it does look closed. This actually should be a fix that would be possible, but that's about a, whatever that is, 13-inch crack right there. So that is absolutely ridiculous that this happened. But check it out. Now stick around. I'm gonna wait till the end to show you this one. This is a Kanile'A premium KoAloha Guitarlele. Wait till you see what happens with this one. But stick around. I'm gonna grab a couple more first. All right, next we have a beautiful Rebel. This is what they call the fake. This was shipped in this bag. So again, do you think padded gig bags? This is a padded gig bag. Do you think they're gonna protect your instrument while shipping? It's not gonna happen. Now, this one was actually damaged from Rebel. So when Rebel sent me a box, I could tell right away because the side of the box had a freaking hole in it. And guess what? This ukulele was sitting in that box that had the hole in it. And guess what? Of course, when I open this up, look at this. Look at this. It's completely smashed right here. Now this one, because it's on the top like this, doesn't really sound that good. It lost a lot of its punch and a lot of its bite because of this. By the way, this is just a beautiful, I mean, just look at this instrument. Is that, how heartbreaking is that this instrument got destroyed like this? It's just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful instrument. So what would have saved this instrument? You guessed it. This, if it had a hard shell case, it would have got to me no problem. So again, do not buy an instrument. I don't even care how much money it costs. Get a hard shell case. I offer discounts when you buy a ukulele from store.ukelikethepros.com for a hard shell case, even if it's just to protect it during shipment. Always, always, please, always get a hard shell case. All right, so what do you think so far? I showed you three. I showed you the Romero's creation. I showed you the KoAloha. I showed you the Rebel fake. By the way, those are all very expensive. They're all about $1,000. Matter of fact, that Rebel fake is more like $1,700. So those are really expensive ukuleles, and I still got two more to show you here. But anyway, what do you think so far? Leave a comment below and show me a little love. Make sure to smash that like button. All right, this is a Rebel. Again, another Rebel. This one is their Soprano Mango. Check this out. A little out of tune, but this one doesn't have any huge cracks in it as far as smashed bodies, but check this out. If you can see this, do the best I can to show this to you. But the glass here, the finish here is completely spider-webbed right here with these lines here. There's a crack here, and also on the front. This is completely spider-webbed. Can you see that? Try to make it the best I can. It's completely spider-webbed, even on the side as well. So this beautiful instrument. Now, this is mainly just in the finish, so it's actually still playable if you don't really mind. So that's okay, but again, this could have been saved. Could have been saved if they would have just bought a hard shell case. The instrument arrives to them, no problem. Now, granted, yes, I take care of it. Store.ukelikethepros.com. We got you covered, but it's such a sad thing to get this instrument and to have it cracked and then just to have to send it back. We'll get them a new one, but then what do we do? What do we do? How is it solved? A hard shell case. That's it. That was the solution right there. Now I want to show you real quick, before I show you that Kanile'A, you got to see that one, what a hard shell case does. Look at this. When I open this baby up, this bad boy up, look at what it does. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. That thing is secure, it's padded, and guess what? I haven't had ukuleles like these KoAlohas returned to me because of damage due to shipping when they're hard shell case. It protects them. By the way, when we ship them too, we actually put more padding in there even inside the hard shell case, just to protect it as well as the whole box. So it really does make a difference. Please, just add the hard shell case. Just think of it as when you're buying a uke, you just got to add that on. It's like an add-on option that you need to get with your ukulele. All right, this is absolutely heartbreaking, this one right here. This is a Kanile'A premium, not the select, not the deluxe, but premium wood. I mean, just look at the top. Look at the top. Oh my G. Oh, gorgeous. Guitarlele. These things are well over $2,000. Well over $2,000. All right, let me grab the case. I'm going to show you what it was shipped in. All right, so here's the case. This thing was shipped in this case. Now, this is a nice case. I ain't gonna lie, it's a nice case. It's kind of stiff here. It's got nice padding. It's a decent looking case. Look at the inside of it. Boom. But it's no match. It's no match for UPS. It's no match for what they do when they get the instruments and they throw them and they kick them and they put heavy things on top of it. And again, UPS actually denied all of these claims. I'll tell you about that in a second. But anyway, look at this. Oh my G. Sorry, that's a saying that my kid says now all the time. Oh my G. All right, so check this out. Look at this thing. It's cracked here. It's all the way on the side. Look at that. How it is heartbreaking. All the way on the side, just completely. I don't know what they did on it. It's here on the back as well. Now, it's also cracked right here. There's also a crack right there on it. So this thing completely smashed and destroyed. This case was nice, but it did not save this instrument. Let me play it again. You know what? It sounds okay, but it's lost a lot of its punch. It's lost a lot of its bass. It's lost of its volume because of this huge crack right here in this Kanile'A Guitarlele in premium koa wood. All right, so which one was the worst? I'm going to show them to you all again. But again, this stuff will be saved by a hard shell case. So please, when you get your new ukulele, store.ukelikethepros.com. I don't care what price you're in. Take the special I have on the hard shell cases. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. I use these cases. Matter of fact, these are mine inside. You don't believe me? This one is mine right here. I use these cases. I have humidifiers in them. That's a whole separate thing. But I use these cases as well. So make sure, please, get the hard shell case. All right. Now it's your time. Which one is the most heartbreaking? Leave a comment below. Is it the Romero's Creations SD Concert Mango? Is it the KoAloha Guitarlele with a huge split right here in the wood? Is it the Rebel Fake with a gigantic crack right here on the top? Is it the Rebel Mango with splintering all over the finish? Or is it the Kanile'A Guitarlele Premium Koa wood with just enormous cracks in the back here? All right. For me, oh my God, I don't even know. This is all really horrible. I'm working with Pepe Romero. Hopefully we can get this fixed and show you an after thing. But this is absolutely ridiculous that they would smash ukulele like this. This is absolutely ridiculous that they would do this as well. And of course the two Rebels and the KoAloha, it's just heartbreaking. But this is absolutely ridiculous. These take the cake from me. I'm just stunned and shocked. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you, got something out of it. Decided to go get a hard shell case. But anyway, this is what could happen when we anybody ships trusting UPS or USPS or FedEx or whatever. They all treat things not so great. But the one way we can do is to protect it is get a hard shell case. All right? That's store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, I'm done. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support. Leaving a comment, smash the like button, subscribing, all that stuff. Check us out on Instagram at ukelikethepros. And also, don't forget, what else? Oh, our Patreon page. Patreon.com/ukelikethepros. All right, I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.